Hi, I'm Caroline Calvert. I am the DIY Design Girl, and today we are going to learn how to make snowy, glittery pine cones. So stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our DIY on making glittery, snowy pine cones. First, you're going to need to find some pine cones. I found these ones out on a walk, or you can buy them from your local craft store. You'll also need some white paint. Acrylic works really well, and some white glue or clear glue. I usually have tons at home. Paintbrush and glitter. So I'm choosing gold. So you're going to want to start by mixing your white paint and your glue together, and the ratio is usually 1 part of the white paint, and then you're going to mix in about 1/4 part glue, and then you're going to need to mix this together really well. So now we are going to paint the pine cone, and you're just going to take a small paintbrush and paint the tips of the pine cone. And don't worry, you're probably going to get your hands a little white, but it will wash off. So this is my favorite part of the project. So you're going to want to grab a plate or something to catch all of the extra glitter, because you can reuse it afterwards. So you're just going to want to put the pine cone on the plate and then cover the pine cone with your glitter. And you're going to have some extra on there, so just give it a shake off. Then you can add a little bit more, and once you're happy with how it looks, you can give it a final shake off, and you can either use it for decoration, you can add on some string and hang it on the Christmas tree. But there we go, we're all finished.
I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be alerted when I post new DIY videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all soon.